Good morning. We're at Good Evening Ranch for the benefit ride for Zach Adams this morning. We made it here around 11:30 last night. Stayed in a really nice cabin here, and we're about ready to go see what's up, figure out what trails people are hitting. Absolutely beautiful morning. We're supposed to get some rain here later today, but we're not talking about that. It's slightly cloudy and about 45 degrees right now. I think a high is close to 60 for January 27th. I'll take it. I'll give you guys a quick peek at what I'm looking at here off the porch. It is beautiful here. On New Year's Eve, my good friend Zach Adams was in a terrible side-by-side accident. Zach has a wife and 2 young girls, and he also is an entrepreneur with a small business. Zach's the kind of guy that brings fun and laughter to any situation. He's also the guy you want with you on every trail ride because he's always willing to put tires on any obstacle. Not only does he have the skills and the tools, but he's always the first person to get his hands dirty trying to help somebody get back on the trail. So we're here at Good Evening Ranch, one of Zach's favorite places to wheel, to raise some support for Zach and his family, doing something that Zach would love. We're also going to be eating some hot dogs for lunch. All the proceeds from that go to the Adams family, and we're just going to be out here having a great time and thinking about our good friend Zach. Jimmy, the owner of Pine Grove Premium Outfitters, and I came down from Pennsylvania last night. It's about a 5-hour drive from Jimmy's shop, and we couldn't be happier to be here on this beautiful day. We started out just the two of us, kind of looking for where everybody went and experiencing the property that is Good Evening Ranch. What an amazing property.
It's a little soupy out here today.
I chose not to bring the spool bus down just because logistically it made more sense, but I can't wait to come back down here and wheel some of these difficult trails. There's been no shortage of rain in West Virginia, and Pennsylvania for that matter, recently, so the trails were a good bit soupy and muddy, making even the green trails a little sketchy at times.
Yeah, you good? Hard passenger. Or sorry, hard driver. There you go.
A little extra throttle to keep that wheel speed up, and those treads clear. We got through everything on the green trails that we wanted to. Wait till you see what some of the black trails look like in this park. Nah, we didn't take the Ranger on any black trails, but we did watch a bunch of really well-built buggies crawl up a trail called Cripple Creek. That's coming up after our hot dog lunch.
way a little. There you go. This way. Nice work, dude.
This is what happens when you have a shock mount completely break off when you're running air shocks. In good humor, the driver of this vehicle pulled up with this song playing on the radio.
Tell you to get over it.
After some delicious hot dogs, I had chili dogs. It's time to head out to Cripple Creek. Wait till you see this trail.
big girl.
This was such a fantastic day, rallying around Zach and raising some support for the family. Thanks so much to everyone who came out and generously gave. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We've got a ton more content coming for 2024, as well as some awesome trips planned. If you'd like to be part of any trips that we're planning, jump on the Dirt Road Therapy Patreon linked in the description. We're going to be doing some multi-day trips, as well as plenty of other trips around to East Coast off-road parks this year. And we will definitely be back to Good Evening Ranch.